Hello and welcome back to our channel. We are Pythoneer. Today we are going to talk about one of the most fascinating modules in Python, the Turtle module. If you are someone who is new to programming or just starting with Python, then you may have heard about the Turtle module. But what exactly is it? Let's find out. The Turtle module is a built-in graphics library in Python. It enables you to create amazing graphics, animations, and even games using simple commands. The Turtle module was inspired by a robotic turtle that could move around and draw on a piece of paper. The Turtle module provides you with an interactive way to create graphics, where you can control the movement of a turtle by writing simple commands. These commands can be used to move the turtle forward, backward, turn it left or right, draw shapes, and even write text on the screen. Let's take a look at a simple example. First, we need to import the Turtle module. Import Turtle. Then we create a Turtle object. T equals turtle.turtle. Now, let's move our turtle forward by 100 pixels. T.forward 100. We can also turn our turtle to the right by 90 degrees. T.right 90. And finally, let's move our turtle forward by another 100 pixels. T.forward 100. Now, if we run this code, we will see a straight line drawn by the turtle on the screen. This is just a simple example of what you can do with the Turtle module. There are many other commands that you can use to create more complex shapes, animations, and games. We hope you enjoyed this video tutorial on the Turtle module in Python and found it helpful. Please feel free to share it with your friends and family who may also be interested. The code used in this tutorial is provided in the description below. We encourage you to try it out on your own and experiment with it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel We Are Pythoneer to stay updated with our latest videos. For more Python tutorials and projects, please check out our Turtle module playlist and learn how to draw different alphabets using the Turtle module. Thanks for being a part of our community, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.